Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, Arts Methyl Spoon. Again, this is Kumar again with you. So today, I'm here with a new dish, not dish actually, it's a dessert. Banana toffee with vanilla ice cream. I hope you will like it, yeah. So let us make it, okay? And I hope you will enjoy. I'm sure that you have enjoyed all the other dishes, and please don't forget to subscribe and share and like it, okay? Thank you very much.
How are you going to make this banana toffee?
Yeah, well darling, I will introduce the ingredients for this first. Okay. I have taken 2 bananas, okay? Then 1 cup of Maida flour or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of corn flour, and I have taken some sesame seed. Okay, this is optional actually. Sugar, then oil for fry. Yeah, let us start. I have taken the banana and I'll cross cut it. Not round, but not straight. Okay, always good. I will show you. Yeah, the way. Good. Yeah. The banana will look like this. Okay, now we will make the batter. Okay, let us make the batter now. I have taken the Maida flour, 1 cup. Then corn flour 1 cup. Okay, then we add some water. The consistency should be like dosa mix. Okay, yeah, the dosa mix almost. Okay, yeah, the batter is ready. See the thickness should be, the consistency is like a dosa mix. Okay, now what I'm good. This actually we need to coat the banana before frying it. We'll cut the banana, then fry it. Okay, let me on the fire. Yeah, this is the coating, nicely cut. Okay, the thickness is very well. Yeah, see, I have dipped the banana into the batter. Now we'll fry it. Yeah, okay, let us fry this one. Okay, we will fry it and we'll get golden brown color. Okay, once one side is ready, so I'll just turn it over. Okay, good, nicely coated. Okay, yeah, children as well as elders will like it very much. Yeah, it's ready. I'm going to remove it. See, nice golden color. Okay, now we'll fry the balance one also. Yeah, the first session is over. Now we will start the second session, which is caramelizing the sugar. Okay, there's the sugar here. Okay, yeah, it is getting ready now. Yes, halfway through, almost ready. Yeah, just caramelize it. Okay, caramelizing now. I kept some water, as I told you, ingredients, water. I kept it in the fridge. It will be ice cold, or even you can use ice also. Ice also. Put it in the ice water. Okay. Good. Now, why I put it in the water? Because it will stick. The caramelized, will stick on the banana top. Yeah, our dessert is ready to serve. I have garnished the toffee with some white sesame seeds. Okay. Now, my darling daughter will taste the item. So here we are with my little princess. She is going to taste this.
Wow, ice cream and banana toffee, yummy!
Yeah, darling, please taste it and okay, you taste it? Yeah, yes.
Mummy.
Yeah, how is it?
I'm going to eat it full.
Really? Oh yeah. So this time I have taken ice cream, stored one. Next time I'll be back with a fresh ice cream. we will make ice cream and we'll come back with that one. Okay, my darling, I think she liked it very much. Okay, yeah.
Yes, it was yummy and I ate it full. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and share. And yes, my darling, so like it also. Okay, you try it at your home also. Thank you very much. I'll be back with a new dish very soon. Goodbye.